Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time here, hi, my name is Purba. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, as you can see with the title, I'm gonna be again playing with my Jeffree Jawbreaker Palette, doing this look here, just the eyes in today's video. So if you wanna see me play around with this again, then please do keep on watching. If you missed my first video with it, I'll link it up in the corner or down below. Before moving on to the full video, I would humbly request you all, please take a moment to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon next to it so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified first. So without further ado, let's begin. As always, I did my eyebrows off camera, and for that I have used Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pomade in the shade Ebony. For priming my eyelids, I'm using Eyelashes Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige. I'm gonna take raspberry and gonna go all the way around, and it did start off as more a rounded look, so I'm keeping my eyes wide open and use that to help me get my shape on me. Now I'm gonna take the shade Delicious, which is so good by the way. I want it to be super smoked out, so I'm doing the lower lash line quite heavy. And with the same brush, I'm gonna blend the edges of the shades Delicious and Raspberry. And then I'll just take a fluffier brush and weigh a bit more of Raspberry and just blend this round. Then I'm gonna take the shade Licorice, which is this beautiful red. Right now, I'm just patting this on because I always go back and like blend things out. So I'm just kind of getting the pigment in there and I'm trying to keep it quite round. Then taking one of my most favorite shades from this palette called Soap. This is gonna get tagged beside the shade Delicious. I just wanted this look quite grungy and messy, and I think when you like pull all those colors together, that's like the look you get. And just stamp it on and then blend really well with the same brush. Then I'm gonna take this orange shade with another brush. Once again, I'm just stamping on this shade. So I find quite a lot just stamping them on to start off with, and then going in and blending helps a lot, like it places down the pigment and you can start to blend. So that's kind of what I'm doing right now. And then I took the shade Brain Freeze, which is this pastel blue, and I choose to put this at the outer V area. I'm just like really digging into it, not tapping off my brush, and then patting and blending well so it may show up really well. Then I'm gonna grab Wow. I'm just gonna pop this around the edge of the middle and inner corner. I'm not really patting because this is more just to help blend. I'm using my Eyelashes Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige, which is what I actually used as a primer on my eyelid, and I'm going to do a cut crease. I put e.l.f. glitter liner in 24K gold on my crease line off camera. And then I will again grab the shade Delicious, pop this around my outer V area in an angled shape with a flat shader brush. I'm gonna go in with the shade Bite Me, which is this beautiful purple shimmer, and it's definitely a beautiful shade. I'm gonna pack this on the middle part of my lid, and then I will take Gumdrop, which is a pastel purple color, and gonna pop that on the inner portion of my lid. I'm gonna grab the shade Jawbreaker to highlight my inner corner, and then just pop that in there. And then I just used my Morphe gel liner in the shade Deja Blue on my waterline. So I put my lashes on off camera, and that is the eyes done, and here is the completed eye look. So that's gonna be the end of today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please do give it a big thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Tell me what you want to see on my channel next. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I hope to see you in my next video. Till then, bye guys.